We're in Brooklyn today. We got a friend's daughter's birthday around Spencer's age. So they're 2 years old and we're going to an indoor playground. We're gonna have some fun today, huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Good job.
Really pretty.
Oh.
Alright. Hello. They say thank you. Oh, thank you. We got some coins. It's a pretty nice indoor playground here in Brooklyn. Ah, look at this big ball pit here, Stan. Should we go do some climbing, Spence? Let's go up here. I got you. Wow! Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Zebra! I go on the yellow one? You go on the blue one? Woo! More! Whoa! Nice! Yay! Look at the birthday girl! Woo! Nice job! Jump! Woo! Yeah, good job, Spence! Woo! Nice job, man. Go this way! Wow! Wow, look at the princess! Alright. It's raining. Cecilia's birthday, isn't it? Your friend. Alright, let's get going. That was really fun hanging out with our friends, and Spencer had a good time playing at the indoor playground. But it is now time for his nap. It's like 4 something, way past his nap time. So we're gonna be heading back home. Okay, Spencer's napping. I'm gonna make a quick Home Depot run. I'm picking up this pocket door hardware for our sliding door. We just got back to my mom's place and it is like almost 6 o'clock now. I'm not gonna have too much time to work on the van before dinner time, maybe like an hour-ish. So let me see what I can get done. Last I left off with the van build, I mentioned that I had a little bit of an alignment issue with the refrigerator cabinet. It's not really that square and it's not measuring right along with the closet here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this apart, I'm gonna finagle with it, and I'm gonna make this nice and square. So I'm gonna start working like that. I'm gonna cut some pieces of wood to make the pantry the same width. This is going to be 14.5, so I'm going to cut a bunch of supporting beams from the top all the way to the bottom so that I can just force the entire shelf to be even throughout. Not just the back, not just the bottom, but everything in between. of the reasons this isn't aligning well is because the top section is actually getting stuck to the top part of the furring strip. So I'm going to trim it off just a little bit to get a little bit of a better fit in here. This is a little harder than I thought. I can't get it to fit perfectly, but it's close. It's very close. But it's dinner time now, so I gotta stop working and I gotta head back upstairs. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Okay, we just got done with dinner and I'm heading back down to continue to finagle with the closet. I want to get that figured out tonight. You guys don't need to watch me work on this thing, so I will end this video here. I'm gonna continue working on the van tomorrow. I think tomorrow we got a full day of just be able to get this more things done for the van. So if you guys want to keep following our DIY Sprinter van build, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that can spread to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.